Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm gonna show you how to create the text scramble effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into DaVinci and let's see how to do that.
So first go to the effects library, go to toolbox, titles, and drag a text plus element on top of your clip. Let's resize the length of this element and then let's customize the text. For this example, we can change the text to, let's say, Switzerland 2024. And let's move the cursor right here so that we can see the text. Then let's change the font to something a little bit more old school, like for example Caprasimo. And then let's change the color to something a little bit more appropriate, like this yellow. Then, since the text is a little bit tall, I'll reduce the size and just reposition the text to the left of our cable cars. Perfect. Now the text looks good. The next step is to right click on the text area and click on Text Scramble. Then we need to head over to the Fusion page, and we can do so by clicking this icon right here. And then in the Fusion page, you have to click Inspector and then click on the Modifiers tab to end up in this page right here, or in this tab right here. Among the other things, here you will see an option called randomness. That is the one that allows us to create the scramble effect. So let's go to the beginning of our clip. Let's set a keyframe and let's increase the randomness to, let's say, 3. Then let's move forward a little bit and let's set another keyframe, and this time set the randomness to 0. Now if we go back to our edit page and we hit play, we will see that the text unscrambles as the clip plays.
And that's it. That's how you create a text scramble effect in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.